Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Samsung account is active and the phone is online. This prevents sync interruptions. Once done, unlock the device and open Settings. Next, navigate to Accounts and Backup or directly to Apps depending on your model. This locates App Cloud controls faster. Make sure you have your Samsung account password ready in case the phone asks for verification, because you will need to confirm identity before turning off cloud services. Now you find the specific cloud controls. Go into Samsung Cloud or Cloud and Accounts, and then into Backup and Restore or App Data. You will see a list of apps or a global app sync toggle. Tap to expand details. If individual app switches appear, turn off the ones you do not want synced. If there is a global app sync switch, toggle it off to disable automatic app data backup. This stops future uploads while keeping local app data intact. Finish by confirming any prompts. The system often asks to verify that you want to stop backups, so tap Confirm or Turn Off. Once done, inspect the cloud toggle to ensure it reads off or disabled. If the setting doesn't persist, sign out and back into your Samsung account or restart the device to force a state refresh. If sync still persists, clear cache for Samsung Cloud and app settings, then try again. That usually resolves stuck sync states.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.